Hello friends, this is Avijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today is chocolate day, the third day of Valentine week. So I'm making a card for chocolate day. Let's get started. At first I'm taking a 16 into 10 cm black craft paper and fold it in half. Also taking a 7 into 9 cm white craft paper and paste on it using glue. Next, for the inside, I am taking a 5.5 into 6.5 cm craft paper and marking 1 cm on the two sides and the lower side. Now cut the two squares. And fold the lines. Using glue, connect it on the card. Next, I am taking some punched heart and paste with glue on it. And now I take two different size red heart and using black marker pen drawing the outline of it. Paste the hearts on the card. And also write Happy Chocolate Day on the card. At last, I take a chocolate and place it into this. Our card is ready. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.